All right.
Go.
Hey, I really don't care. That's my prerogative. They say I'm nasty. Ow. But I don't give a damn. Oh, swear, I gotta get a little closer. Oh, how y'all doing, guys? Welcome to Cricket Talk 2021. I hope everybody's good. Let me move this out of the way because then you're not gonna see our pretty little faces. Like I said, I love big faces all the time. Okay, let me move over. Curious George. Curious can be right here next to me. Hi guys, I hope, like I said, hope everybody's doing good. I hope everybody is feeling good. Don't be rushing it. Your 1400 should be coming. So get ready for it. Guys, we have a lot to talk about and a little bit of time. By the way, how you been, girl? Loving the hair.
Thank you, thank you.
Loving it, loving it, loving
I
it.
loving yours
Thank
too.
you, thank you, thank you. You know, there was something new for the holidays.
For real, I feel good.
Holidays for the summer.
I
Don't
feel
know where
good.
that came from. You feel
My
that's
first,
good?
yeah, my first time, and I'm like living it. I swear
I
to God.
like the way it looks.
Thank
So
you.
it's yours. You paid for it.
Yes, here.
So
And-
let's get down to it. There's a lot I want to talk about. We had the Grammys, what's his name? The
Weeknd?
The Weeknd, yeah.
Yes.
He's like against it, talking about people are like selling out. They put that certain artist is buying them the awards. So we're gonna talk about that. But first, I want to talk about Meghan Markle. I can never pronounce her name right.
Sorry about
Sorry, I just had an overbite. I stuck my thumb. But yes, what happened to her and her family, I was so disappointed and
I
so
cried.
disgusted.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? Disgusted. And to tell you the truth, I wasn't surprised. I saw the pain in her face when she moved to that house.
Yeah.
You could tell that she went from being a happy person to being a person that looked it like she was just going through it. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you get taken to the princess castle and you're the princess, you should be looking like you're happy. But now when she sat down with Oprah and the questions that Oprah asked her, now we know why her self-person changed so much. Like, you know what's that? For you to be questioned about your child's complexion, like how dark he's gonna be, that's disgusting.
And then talk about her emotions, about her saying she wasn't sick or whatever.
That it was all in her head.
head.
Like she didn't have an emotional breakdown. Like, let me tell you something. This family always been in the headlines because let's not forget Princess Diana, okay? And I love Princess Diana.
Yes.
And at that
She kept it
time,
real.
I was like, what, 15, 16? When she was out and she was doing her work with the kids, and you know, she was a very good humanitarian. Like, she went out there, she helped a lot of children. She did what she had to do. And who reminds you of her? Meghan Markle.
Yep.
And they tried with her the same thing they did with Princess Diana. But Meghan is a strong African American woman. Go Meghan. She was like, no, honey, I'm gonna take my husband and my children and I'm out of here. And you did the right thing, honey. Move away and take the space that you need for you and your family to heal and be comfortable. I want to wake up every day to my children feeling comfortable in their home.
Exactly.
You know, I don't want to have to worry about, oh my God, if my kids is with their uncle, like, are they being treated well, you know? And then you're gonna be raised with your brother's kids there, that they probably get treated better because they didn't want to give them security.
Yes.
They didn't want to give them a name. Like, how dare you be like, your child is not gonna hold no ranks? Like,
That'll make no
why?
sense.
Because
yeah.
my child is half black?
Nah.
For real? That's the way y'all gonna zoom in?
How
Like,
you go off bringing her into the family and then go off not denying the baby? That'll make no sense.
and she didn't speak that much. Like, she didn't say nobody's name really. I guess she didn't want to say nobody's name to not, like, you know, pinpoint people.
Yeah.
And I thought that was very, very highly of her. This is something else. You hear her low, but she still comes high. You know what I'm saying? She's
With
showing you how you're
respect
supposed
and
to
elegance.
treat a person.
Yep.
Okay, so she's not naming names, but she's telling us what basically happened to her. And I'm so thankful because now I look at her with different eyes. Because before I used to look at her and I was like, oh, you know, she's not talking to her father, she denies him. But it kind of got me a little off with her. But when she explained everything, now I understand. Her dad, come on, bro, how you gonna be talking to the press? giving them a story every 2 days.
Just so you can try to get in touch with your daughter,
And then
because your
just-
daughter
no,
doesn't want to talk
that's
to you.
bull crap. That was an excuse for him just selling out. Oh, I'm doing stories until you speak
So-
up to me, until you like reach out to me. I'm gonna keep on doing stories.
No.
What?
That means you're not gonna get that way.
If
Because
you
she's
love
not giving
me,
it to you.
if you love me and you're my father, you will stop talking to the people about whatever the hell you choose to talk about, and just talk to me. Reach out yourself to me. Come to my house and stand in front of my house for 2 or 3 days until I decide to open the door for you. Instead of you going and talking in front of my cameras about things that have no importance.
You don't even know
Do you
anything.
see my mother doing that? My mom, her mother's not doing that.
No.
You know what I'm saying? And she also said that her mother felt a certain way when she went to the wedding. You know, and that's a lot of stuff. And we're not back in those malicious days that, you know, the people were oppressed and everything. Like, we're in 2021.
But it's sad that we're
opening
still
and still
dealing
dealing with
with
it.
it.
Yeah, and it's sad. You know what I'm saying? Because, like, it's just so sad. And I'm happy, though, that she moved. She left. She could have stood there and dealt with it just for the fame and just to be there. But like I said, that's not the woman she is. She's the type of woman, she said, my children's happiness and my happiness comes first before any royal freaking name, and left. That's the best thing she could have done for her family. And for him too, because he looks happier.
Yep.
You know, and he's a real man, because he's standing right
Right
behind
behind
his
his
woman.
wife.
You know what I'm
Exactly.
saying? Happy wife, happy
Happy
life.
life.
So let's keep that, and I hope that it just continues for you, Megan. Keep on doing very good. I think you should go back to acting, because I love you as an actress. So I'm just wishing that, putting that out there, just in case you want to make some movies and stuff.
Grammys.
Oh, but the Grammys, yes. Let's talk about it. Talk about it, honey. The Grammys is getting accused of basically sending out, like, basically they give rewards to the people that they choose to, not the people that deserve it, not the people that sold most music,
It's
but people that they choose in an inside circle. And even Drake said that what should happen is that they should make their own group of professional people to run the Grammys. You know,
Right.
this way they feel that things is happening fairly. I think that's a great choice.
Sure.
Or do it like the People's Awards, that the people choose who gets the Grammys. Why they don't do it like that? Let us choose. Let us call and make that
Or
choice.
text.
I want this person. I want that person.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying? Because at the end of the day, we're the ones that buy the music. We're the ones that put money in their pockets. So I think we should be the ones to choose who gets a fucking Grammy. You know, and that's dealing with all the trouble and not having like to, you know, make it
Go
such a big
crazy.
hype and a big mess. You know, and this does not mean that Cardi B bought her Grammys. Let's get it straight, because if it's like that, Beyonce got like 20 something Grammys. Freaking Taylor Swift got like how many fucking Grammys, honey? So let's get it straight. No, not all the time. Maybe certain people are buying it, but not all the time. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, to fix the problem, let the people choose who wins. That's it. Moving along. There's another thing I wanted to talk about. We was looking at the magazine, and they were talking about the, what is it? Wait, hold on 1 second. I can't even find the damn story right now. I can't. Oh look, talking about the royal family. They got Kate back, the Kate on People's cover. You know what I'm saying? Where is the lady that they supposed to be having on that cover? Oh, cousin, that's all. Oh, that's what I want to talk about. Cicely Tyson.
I love her.
Yeah, Cicely Tyson, right? She's so beautiful. I just wanted to show this cover because I find her, like, her poetry is beautiful. Her work she has done is gorgeous. And that picture, just look at that picture. Do a close up on this picture right here. Oh my God, beautiful. She was beauty. She was beauty. Even into the day that she rest her soul, she is class and
Her
beauty.
movies was unbelievable.
Yes, and her books,
Yes.
her guiding books, the way she talks about life and everything. It's just, she's a beautiful woman.
Yep.
And I want y'all to go get this just because of this article right here. I love Cicely Tyson, and to her family, we send y'all all her wishes and, you know, our condolences. I know she did not just pass away, she passed away a few time ago, but I just love her. I love her so much. So this episode is dedicated to her, and we sending out love and everything. Mwah, mwah. Until the next time, guys, enjoy, and remember, show love to each other. Do not look at anybody because of color, money, or status. Just look at them as a regular human being, just like you want to be looked at.
Be safe.
Keep everything good, safe, and covered. And wash your hands, guys. Bye.
Bye.